Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison about these two accounting software platform, which is Puzzle.io and Refreshme. So we're going to dive into the strength, the weakness about these two platforms, and the overall conclusion about these platforms to help you make an informed decision about what they can do and how they can increase your productivity. So to get started with a quick overview about these two platforms, so starting with the Puzzle.io. Puzzle.io is a finance automation real-time accounting platform tailored for startup and fast-scaling businesses. It focuses on syncing banks, payrolls, and revenue data to give live financial visibility. And Refreshme, on the other side, is a lightweight accounting and expense tracking tools built for freelancers and micro businesses. If prioritizes easy of use and mobile first simplicity over simple and complex features. Now talking about the Puzzle.io, the strength and the weakness of this platform. So picking the strength, this strength of this platform, which is Puzzle.io, has a real-time financial dashboard with a live synchronization. So it comes with an integrate with tools like Gesture, Stream, and banks. It's also designed for decision making like a CFOs and a funders. Now, here's the drawback about this platform, which is the drawback for Puzzle.io compared to other platforms. It has an overkill for freelancers or small service based on businesses. There's no built invoicing or a task compliance. Also, the premium pricing with limited availability for solo entrepreneur. Now, talking about the Refreshme at the other side, say freelancers and very small business needing a simple income and a expensive tracking. And here's a quick review about this trend or the pros about this platform. It has an ultra simple user experience. It's also designed for solo entrepreneur with a minimal account need, and just a mobile friendly with a fast response entry. Now, here's a quick drawback about this platform. It has few drawback compared to other platforms. So talking about the drawback for this free platform, which is Refreshme, it has a very limited reporting and automation and no integration with other tools or platform. So it lack features for scaling or handling complex financials. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So you can simply choose the Puzzle.io if you are a startup looking for a real financial control and integrations with a payroll and revenue tools. On the other side, you can simply go for Refreshme if your aim is if your aim as a freelancer or a solo business owner, just that you need a lightweight mobile first way to track your finances. So, which means if you're a freelancer and you need a simple lightweight mobile first to track finances, so this actually has a mobile app access, which has make it a game changer for the platform. Why the other platform, which is the Puzzle.io, actually they don't have that. So that's why they be a game changer. So if you are a solo entrepreneur and you are just a freelancer, this platform would be a better option for you. But if you are looking for a real-time financial control and integrations with payrolls and revenue tools, just simply go for Puzzle.io. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms.